everyone, this is Shagun Malik, you're watching Inside DU, and in today's video we'll be talking about how to transfer your admission from one college to the other. So many of you might have secured your seats in the first cutoff itself, and now since you're getting a better combination, you wish to switch your college or maybe course. So in today's video we'll be discussing how to go about the process. So make sure you stay glued till the end. But before moving ahead, if you are a DU aspirant and if you want to clarify your doubts regarding DU admissions, make sure you join our Telegram channel. You will find the link in description box. Now initiating our video for today, so I'll start off with the very basics. Some of you asked that can we transfer the admission? Yes, of course you can. You can either do it from one college to the other, or you can do it from one college from one course to the other course. So this is how you can transfer. The second one is that how many times can we transfer the admission? So there's a very basic formula called n-1, where n stands for the total number of cutoffs. So if there are 5 cutoffs, you can transfer your admission 4 times. So this is how many times you can transfer your admission. Now coming on to the transfer process. Look, the transfer process is very easy, and let's cite an example to understand this better. So let's say we have a student who is getting admission in Gargi College, and now in the next cutoff she is getting a better course in Sri Venkateshwara College. So the last step where she left was the fee payment in Gargi College. Now what you are supposed to do is that first of all you will have to cancel your admission in Gargi College. Log into your portal, withdraw your admission from there, and thereafter you will be treated as a fresh candidate. So all the steps that you followed while applying to Gargi, the same will be applicable while applying to Sri Venkateshwara College. That is, selecting up a college and course, then your documents will be verified by the convener, they'll be approved by the principal, and now comes the fee payment. So are you supposed to pay any additional fee for that? No, you don't have to pay any additional fee. The fee that you paid for Gargi will automatically be adjusted for Sri Venkateshwara College. It's just that if there is any extra fee or there's any refund, you will be refunded with a fee, or you'll have to pay that particular extra amount of fee that is required. So your fee will automatically get transferred from Gargi College to Sri Venkateshwara College. You don't have to pay any additional fee for that. And after you pay the fee, this is where your admission gets confirmed in the second cutoff list under Sri Venkateshwara College. So it's that simple, and I hope the process is clear. And you can also migrate from one course to the other under the same college itself. So let's say from Venkateshwara College you want to migrate from BCom program to BCom honors. So the process is same. You just have to log into your portal, cancel your admission from there, apply again. Documents will be verified, and your fee will automatically be transferred from one course to the other. So no additional fee you are required to pay. So guys, that's it. This is how the college admission transfer process looks like. If you have any other doubts, you can drop them down below, and make sure you secure your seat in the second cutoffs, particularly for the candidates who belong to the general category, because after that a lot of seats will get filled for most of the courses in most of the colleges. So make sure you lock in your options under the second cutoff. That's all for today. So this was all from my side. Once again, this is me, Shagun, signing off for the day. See ya, bye bye.